In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Now select those three dots at the top right corner. Click on Permission Manager and pick any of your device's features you wish to manage, like contacts. Then tap on one of your apps you wish to manage under one of those sections. In this case, allowed or not allowed. I will go with from not allowed one. Finally, click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow or don't allow. And when you finished, go back. As you can see after that, my Chrome just gained access to this device's contacts. But you can always pick any feature. Tap on an app you wish to manage and instead of picking any of those options, select See All Permissions here. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!